So I'm fucking banned.
Yeah.
You need at least 4 people to take it.
Yeah, the 4 people.
Oxhead's good anyway, because I got to get gas over at
Word.
Moe's.
You want to do the freaking center?
Do the dress
We'll do center each one before
center
that.
each first. Yeah, word. Sorry, I've got one more throw left.
This is
Oh, I fucking ran. Fuck it. I thought I had another one. Make sure you get the particles. I forget about that shit all the time. The fucking zap. Yeah, the catching them. I know, right? Woo! Nice. We haven't even walked 1K, it says. He's gonna jump out of the party, it's okay, but I ran out of orbs on my Azrael account. My bad. This is gonna be another challenge because I ran out of orbs on my Azrael account now, so I'm gonna have to switch to like Instinct to Win or something. Let's see.
You know the cheese, the one that made the accident for sure.
Huh?
She got the sweatpants.
Oh my god.
You know, she probably pulled out when she shouldn't have.
Oh my god. I get that shit all the time, bro.
Damn, that sucks.
How the fuck you do that in a parking lot?
It was definitely her with the sweatpants.
Yeah, it was, right?
Yeah, it's always the fucking girl that
She probably wasn't looking. She was catching Pokemon.
Something like that.
You like babies, eh?
I saw Love You at the pool yesterday.
What?
I saw Love You at the pool yesterday.
Love you? Yeah, she's an old woman.
Yeah, she's like mid. She's like mid.
Look at that lady looking at us. You saw that? The essential worker.
Love you ain't on my list, whoever the hell that is.
She attacks the Tiki all the time.
Yeah, I'm surprised you didn't see her at Tiki. She's
Yeah.
always up there.
Well, he's not going to the gym anymore, unfortunately.
The gym's closed.
I know.
I've been going to Lake
You
Grove.
go to this one?
when I
Yeah,
go.
fuck Planet Fitness. I heard nothing but bad things.
I was thinking of getting a Planet Fitness membership just for like the treadmill and stuff because it's so
There
close.
you go.
But like I can't walk yet.
I was gonna say I would not even.
Yeah, you don't need to walk
I
yet.
would not even attempt.
It's gonna be a while before I can walk.
Fuck that.
Yeah, I hope you're healing good, bro. We all know about fucking injury here.
I know. I busted my ass yesterday, bro. I was like, fuck, I would get up. My ass still hurts.
Me falling off my
Yo,
blades,
I thought
I'm
my
fucking.
wrist was gonna be fucked yesterday, like. Cause
It's
like,
got a little,
'cause
yeah.
It's not that. It's that where it hit. It's that like in there.
Right.
That's what hurt.
Boom.
You know, the bruise. I don't give a fuck. That little cut is nothing.
Yeah.
But the fucking like how it hit. Oh my god, bro. That was the worst.
Like for me, one of the things that's worse is like
We're in.
Yeah, I'm good on this account. I got 2 Zapdos and a
like
Lapras.
the way I
should
had to
be
keep
good.
my leg underneath and I drive, it starts to get like a blister
Pick
on
the right
one side of my
Pokemon.
foot.
They're right. Yeah, because this one's gonna be harder than the last one. Cause I think we'd be all right though.
Oh, I should pick Lapras too. Oh, my Lapras is in the Dynamax too.
Yeah, Lapras is good to like take the damage.
I do have a really good Blastoise though.
Why is it telling me fucking?
Level 2 max guard. Wait, back out?
No, we're good.
Alright, we're good.
Oh wait, yeah, we're good. That Metagross is gonna get fucking toasted, but
Huh?
I got a Metagross on this account.
Why didn't you let me
Ah! I just heard my shit go out. Sorry, guys.
back out?
Back out. Sorry. That's our only chance if I get both of them in.
Good, I get to get Lapras now.
Yeah.
It was meant to be.
And fucking Metagross is weak to fire, so I think fuck.
But lucky you don't attack.
Yeah, I think it has heals though. If I can swap it out, if any of mine have heals, like it's fucking excellent. Like the heals do so much. I just leave the guy with heals active and it's perfect.
Oh, which reminds me actually.
Yeah, don't worry about the heals. Don't waste resources.
No, it's just,
Did I just fucking? Oh my god, it's fucking annoying. Can't switch out one fucking thing.
They didn't like people having multiple accounts in one thing.
Yeah, I got one account on work mode and one account on personal mode, so it registers as different.
But on one device.
Yeah, I
One of
know.
them's got to be idle.
It's basically cheating, exactly.
The idle. is what-
But it's idle. But every time we do the Dynamax, it does it for you, so it's pretty good.
we all know it was the girl with sweatpants fault. Doesn't matter if she's a daughter or your cousin.
Shit.
See?
Zapdos. Okay, that's a good lineup.
Alright, we're good.
Ah! Give me a
Again?
second. Yep.
Ah, shit.
What is that? 47. I think I can jump in.
Can't believe Beckman's gonna risk it.
Yeah, there's no way. I tried to do it myself with just one more extra person, and it's fucking melted me.
Yeah, she definitely didn't. She definitely didn't. You can see. She's there like, fuck, mom. I fucked
Okay.
up. I don't know how
Yeah,
to
I got
drive.
20 seconds. For some reason, I wasn't able to. Okay, Bickle's not in there. Go, go, go!
No, I'm in. I'm in.
Think, right?
Yeah,
Are you?
I'm in.
That's great.
Where's my
It only says
Lapras?
3. We're gonna back out.
No, I'm in.
You're in?
Oh, yeah, well, there's only 2 here. Go back out. Yeah,
Yeah,
there's only
back out. I don't know what the fuck is going on.
2. It was only me and you for some reason.
Yeah, it read that we're all in on my screen.
Glitch. The fucking thing is glitch.
It's glitchy.
It certainly is. birds are glitchy as shit.
Exactly.